Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be talking about the best free VPN for Windows PC. If you use Windows, then you know how important it is to keep your devices secure while online. The best way to accomplish this is by using a virtual private network VPN. VPN is basically encrypts your internet connection and hide your IP address, which lets you browse the internet safely and privately. Using a VPN is important, especially when using public Wi-Fi or untrustworthy networks, since it protects you from hackers and data thieves. The main reason I create this content, one of my clients requests for this because they are not able to sign in the cPanel and webmail. Sometimes without turning on VPN, one might have issues signing in the cPanel and webmail. If you stick around with me to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to gain access to genuine free VPN without paying any penny. Grab your coffee and let's get started. You have to open up your browser. As you can see, I'm using Google Chrome here, but you can use any browser of your choice. Come over here to the search bar and type in Opera Mini. Okay, you can see this link right here. Click on this link. It takes us to Opera Mini's website. By your top right side, you can see download now. Click on this button. Then a dialog box is open for you to save this download file in a folder. As you can see, mine is on my download folder, and you can also save it wherever you want and click on save. Okay, the Opera Mini has been downloaded. I'm going to open up my folder and come over to downloads. Okay, you can see this is the Opera Mini we want. This is where we are going to get the free VPN. And if you come along with me to this point, please hit that subscribe button and like this video. That will mean a lot to me. Okay, double click on this file right here. And click on accept and download. For me I already have a Opera Mini on my PC installed already. I'm not going to follow this process. Just click on accept and download, as you can see, and also click on accept. Then this is how it's going to look like. You can see the downloading progress bar right here. Well, as I said already, I have Opera Mini and I don't want to follow this step, so I'm going to cancel this right here. Once you have downloaded the Opera Mini and have installed it, that will take us to another step. And before we go to the next step, we have to come over here and close our Chrome browser. We don't need it anymore. But if you like, you can leave your own open. I'm going to close mine, and as I said before, already I have installed Opera Mini on my PC. What I'm going to do is to open on the Opera Mini browser on my PCs. So if yours has been installed successfully, then you can follow this next step. So I have Opera Mini here on my taskbar, so I'm gonna open it up. If you have your Opera Mini is ready and if you have opened it up, we are going to do some little setting in order for us to gain access to this free VPN. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want me to make any video concerning online marketing, web design, and all of that, you can leave the comment down below. I will go through your comment and make a video on that topic. Okay, the next step we are going to do, we have to come over to this icon, then click on this icon, then scroll down a little bit. Okay, as you can see VPN right here. Then click on enable in setting. Click on that. Close up this pop-up, and we have enable VPN. Then toggle this button. We are going to set it up a little bit. As you can see, we have another toggle button right here. So we are going to toggle on this button, and this. That is that for this video. For now, your VPN has been turned on only on Opera Mini browser. So whenever you want to do something privately, you have to open up your Opera Mini browser in order to use the VPN. But if you want to turn off the VPN setting, when you open up your browser again, you can still come over here to this icon, then scroll down, come over here to VPN again, then enable in setting. Click on that, then close this pop-up, and you come over here and toggle it off. But that is not what we want. We need VPN on this particular Opera Mini browser. So now the issue of IP address and not able to log in through your webmail or to your cPanel, it is solved successfully right now. So you are not going to encounter any issue because we have VPN on this particular browser. As you can see VPN. So this is it for today's video. And if you don't understand anything, you can ask your question in the comment down below. And also, if you have any video in mind you want me to create, then you can also leave it down in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also give me a thumbs up. I have another video for you next, so try to watch that video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.